What's up, everybody? Here we are with another little food review for you. So, about our order, I saw these, and so I ordered them to try them. Be backwards, but Dr. Pepper, sweet and a bit sassy baked beans. So we already opened up, put them in a bowl, heated it up because I didn't want to eat it cold. But it smelled just like regular baked beans. It didn't have like a Dr. Pepper smell. It smelled like regular baked beans. So we heated it up. Smells warm. So here we go. We're gonna try baked beans. Might be a little bit hot. So, they do not taste like Dr. Pepper, but they do not taste like your regular baked beans. It has a little bit more sweet flavor than your baked beans, but they're actually pretty good. So, if they have these where you live, I'll recommend them. You getting them. I had to order these off of Amazon, so it was a little bit, yes, expensive. But they don't have these where we live, so I will not be ordering these all the time. But it was actually pretty good. It had a more sweetness, taste to it. If I lived where they sold these at the store, I would buy these. But I give them a thumbs up. Mm-hmm. Did you like them? Right. So, if you want, order them. If they have them where you live, go get them. All right.
Peace.